Hello, this is Christina Wallis again, and thank you for tuning in to my news flash. Now, my first news is that I have finally gotten around to organizing a flower workshop. The flower is going to be chrysanthemum, a very popular flower, and it's going to take place in London area, Surrey, Guildford to be precise. And the cost of this workshop is £120 for the day. It's running between 10 in the morning and 6 in the evening. There would be a 20% discount for an early bird booking, a whopping 20%, bringing the cost of this workshop to only £96. This discount is valid until 3rd of June, next Sunday. So if you are interested in booking, please make sure you don't miss the discount. So that's my first news to shout out about. The second one is that I have a new website. My new website, incredibly, is called porcelainflowers.co.uk. I don't know, I should be so lucky, but I did get this incredible domain name to rebuild my website on. So here goes. And so related to that, I am going to change the names on my social media. I've already changed things on Instagram, and I'm trying to change the name on Facebook as well. So if you were wondering why all of a sudden my Facebook name comes up as Flowers Cakelosophy, is because Facebook doesn't really let me change it straight away. It's been quite obstinate, and it just wants me to keep something that people are familiar with, but I'm trying to out-trick it and change the name in stages. So yeah, bear with me there. And also I'm going to be changing the name of my YouTube channel as well, or adjusting it a little bit. So if you open my channel and it looks a little bit odd and the name looks unfamiliar, this is why. So I hope that's okay with everyone. And finally, a third point that I wanted to make is that I am finding it a lot more convenient for myself to post my weekly YouTube uploads on Friday instead of Thursday. It kind of helps me with the flow of the week and the sectioning the week into what I'm doing, YouTube, some work, this and that. So Thursday was kind of breaking my week in two. So this is what I'm doing now. I'm going to be changing my weekly upload to Friday. I hope that's okay with everyone. And yeah, so three things: upcoming workshop, change in YouTube channel, and change in upload day. And also, obviously, a slight change to my social media name. I'm going to leave a link below to book your workshop place if you're interested with the next upload on Friday, hopefully. Have a good week.